Okay, Miss Clark's has just come back from the last one. She's gonna pause me as she's going to hand out this sheet right here, the one that says for the family of 8. So she's gonna hand that out. She's gonna pause me as she's handing this out. You need to be on task, and this is what we're going to do next. Okay. We're going to look at this problem right here. A family of 8 buys 4 gallons of milk. So here's a family of 8 buys 4 gallons of milk. If each family member gets an equal share of milk, how much milk will each person get? Okay, here's my family. 8 people. That's big people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 people. Okay. They're getting how much milk? 4 gallons. Is each person getting their own milk? No. There's too many people, right? So here's the thing. I could break this 8 ways and count, but there's no point. I'm working with 8 and I'm working with 4. Looking at those two numbers, which one goes on top? Which one goes on the bottom? If each person's not getting their own milk, is 8 going to go up top? Because if I put 8 on top, guess what happens? They're each getting 2? Really? Each person's going to get 2? That can't possibly be. So 8 can't go on top. So that means that 4 is going to go on top of 8. And if I were to split them equally, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There'd be 8 of them. So they're each going to get half a gallon. Okay? If at any time I'm moving too fast, she can pause me, take a minute to write this down if that's what needs to be. But you are raising your hand politely. You're not screaming out. You're not calling out. Miss Clark, pause me. No, you're raising your hand. Can you please pause, Ms. Hine? There does not need to be any person calling out at this time. Because at this point, you're not meeting my expectations if you are. Okay? This one. 6 friends share 3 cookies. How many cookies does each friend get? 6 friends share 3 cookies. Once again, I got 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 people. And I got 3 cookies. Shoot, shoot. Now, I know in my school they have big cookies, but seriously. Okay, I'm going to use a different color so you can see. These are my cookies. Yes, I'm eating a blue cookie. Maybe it's for the Cookie Monster. I don't know. Okay? Is each person going to get their own cookie? Is each person going to get their own cookie? No, each person's not going to get their own cookie. Because if I did that, there's 3 people who don't have a cookie at all. So I'm still only working with 6 and 3. Okay? So therefore, guess what? Is 6 going to go on top? Or is 3 going to go on top? What you should have said is 3 is going to go on top of 6. Meaning, when I split them, I get 6 parts. They're each going to get 1/2 of a cookie. Okay? Once again, make sure that you have this somewhere on your paper. You've drawn it out. Okay? Next question. Marco. Marco mows 6 lawns in 5 hours. If each lawn takes the same amount, so it's division, but I'm talking about fraction here. So it's not like I'm going to divide, I'm going to use the fraction. What fraction of an hour does it take him to mow 1 lawn? Homicide, what? Okay. I have 5 hours, right? And I have 6 lawns. Right? Well, let's break my thing. Let's break my hours. Let's break my time. Let's not even draw something else. I'm gonna break it. I think I just did over like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's 6. I know they're not even. I'm well aware of it. I have 5 hours total. And I have time to mow person A's lawn, person B's lawn, person C's lawn, D's, E's, and F's. Is each lawn going to take an hour? No, because that would be 6 hours, right? If each lawn took an hour, it would equal 6 hours. So 6 can't go on top. 5's going to go on top, right? So 5, 6. Now someone said, well, Miss Hine, how do you know if that's what the hour is, right? Well, if I did 5, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6, 6 times plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6, right? There's 3. That's 6. 6 is going to stay here the whole time, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What does that equal? 5, right? There's your 5 hours. Okay? So if each lawn took 1 hour, it wouldn't be too much. But look, so I'm